Many of you guys will be aware that I teach regular stretch and tone classes. Now, often when I take my classes, I'll ask people who are coming if they'd like to cover anything specific. Now, more often than not, I get told we want to cover something for lower back. Lower back's the area that everyone focuses on. And you know, if you've been watching me for a while, that I often say lower back pain often originates in the hips. The hips are a huge ball and socket joint, and therefore there's a lot of things can get tight around the hips. And for a lot of people, because we're walking and move, and the way we walk and move, the hips are the original, where it originates, that pain. So what I'm going to do over the next few weeks is just throw in the odd stretch to help you out that you can try. The really simple one we're going to start today is simply the child's pose stretch. Now, child's pose you can do in a lot of different ways. If you have either bad knees or your lower back is sore or you have problem around the neck, you can try different things. But basically, a child's pose, we would often start in an all fours position and then take the knees slightly wider, maybe bring the big toes together. You would sit back on the heels and then extend the fingertips away on the floor in front and rest the head down on the floor. And really think about tucking the tailbone down onto the heels. Now, sometimes people struggle to sit back on the heels. So, there's a couple of options. If you have yoga blocks, you can put them on top of each other between the heels. Therefore, you've got something to sit back on. It just bolsters you. Or if it's more a pain in the knees, you could always take a rolled up towel or a rolled up blanket and just put that over the top of the heels and sit back to that. And that just makes a bit of a buffer between you and the heels. And same again, extend the fingertips away and then think about pressing the tailbone down. And over time, you might find you can remove that comfortably. Occasionally people will not like to have their head down on the floor. So I might say again, take a cushion or a block, place that where the forehead's going to be, and then just place the forehead down on the block like so. So there's loads of ways you can make the child's pose work for you, especially if you have tight knees, tight hips, lower back, neck. Just find ways to use cushions and blocks to sort of bolster areas of the body and just practice extending those fingertips away, relaxing the head down, and then thinking about pinning the tailbone down onto the heels. And often I find for most people taking the knees wider and the heels closer is more comfortable to get into your child's pose position. So I hope that helps. Any more questions on any stretches, please let me know. And if you're interested in joining my stretch classes, which I do 5 days a week, get in touch.